You are going to love the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, chrome mirror caps, alloy wheels, floor mats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.